Those are so good looking. Ooh-wee! It hurts when you see the money come out of your bank account, but then when you get it, it's been a week or two and you forgot about it, and you're like, oh, I like it so much. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing excellent. Today we have some awesome parts to install on the FC, and we couldn't wait to open them, so here's a flashback of us opening the boxes. Now this is a big ticket item right here. What's it say right here?
Gamortha.
More garage? Is this just a coincidence? I don't know.
The G's up top, so it's Gamortha.
But look, more garage. Sweet. Let's check these babies out.
So you guys can already see what it is, but you still gotta look all the stickers right on top. Perfect.
Yeah, baby. Ooh-wee! Looky there.
And those are much higher quality spanners too than you know, some Max Peetings.
I want to look at the top one. Let's see if I can.
That's the front.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Let's take a look. Oh man. Oh man. That looks so nice. Dude, I love the color. I'd like a car this color actually. Oh, I'm excited to get these on. I don't know if we'll have time before a dyno day prep, and it's not super critical for a dyno session. It's not going to affect our horsepower.
Good.
Yeah.
Green horsepower stickers.
It's true. I bet you each one of these puppies gives us about another 1,500 RPMs.
It's true. Thins out the mix.
Look at that. That is quite a unit. Flow digressive technology, Fortunato hand-built suspension. I feel so excited to have this super quality suspension. Oof. Look at that.
It works.
It works. You can hear it click.
It's spiking the microphone.
Good. All right.
And you want to know something I can tell right off the bat, like looking at the bottom here? Whoever did that, they know how to use flux core. That's a good well.
Look at that. Wow. That's incredible.
That's some dual shield flux core right there.
Wow. All right. Well, hopefully we get to these very soon. Very, very soon.
They're good looking, aren't they?
All right, so as you saw right there, we've got some killer new suspension, which we're very excited to put on, and some awesome parts from LRB Speed. So I think the strategy right now is to get the suspension on first. What do you think?
Let's do it. Get the wheels off.
Yeah, he's ready because we have an alignment appointment tomorrow, so we got to get that done first. If we have extra time and energy tonight, because we've been going non-stop on the FC for a few days now.
Oh, really? Have we?
We'll go ahead and see if we can get that LRB stuff on. But the tricky part about that is it seems easy, but my bumper is still hitting the intercooler and the intercooler piping. So we have to take it off and trim it some more, which might be a little bit tedious. But we might get to it, so stay tuned. All right. Let's get these wheels off. Okay, so I already yanked the other suspension off. It's super simple on this car, and if you want to see an example of it being done, just go back and watch our max speeding rods. We have 2 videos about those pieces of garbage. Anyway, this set of KYB gas just and RSR springs still works great. We're going to clean them up and give them away to one lucky viewer. What do you think they should do to earn the giveaway, Jeff?
Most content on OnlyFans. That's the only way to do it.
It's a good idea. OnlyFans is a popular website. So what I'm thinking is we go with the simple formula. You subscribe on YouTube, you subscribe on Instagram, you like at least 2 photos on Instagram, and you share this YouTube video. Send us proof in the DMs to at least 5 people, and you'll get entered to win those. If you've got an FC and you're just starting your build, that's a great way to drop your car, look a little aggressive, and to get a better ride quality, especially if you're running stock struts or max speeding rods. Anyway, let's get back to these Fortunatos. Okay, so we're excited to break these babies out of the box. We already got all the packaging off, and we're looking through the instructions. So what we need to do first actually is set the preload, and there's some instructions here. So we need to take a 1/4 inch off the front and an 1/8 inch off the back, and we have 7-inch springs. So we already measured those out. We're going to go ahead and adjust that preload. The locking collars on these are really cool because they actually have a little Allen key, so we can loosen them up a little bit, make adjustment easier, and then tighten them back down. So that's super sweet feature of these Fortunatos. And then we're going to try and figure out some sort of ride height. I guess we'll just make sure the front are even and the back are even, and then drop it and see what happens.
Yep, because I mean the nice thing about this is also it's so easy to adjust the ride height that you know, we should probably set it maybe like an inch higher than what we have it, just for that break-in period, because we're gonna get it aligned yesterday, and then, or sorry, not yesterday, tomorrow, and then you know, just the break-in period, see how much it drops, because then you can just, and then you won't really need that much of alignment afterwards.
Yeah, that's true. All right, let's go ahead and preload these babies. All right, so we already adjusted one of these, and it's just amazingly simple and intuitive. So we've got this great little locking collar mechanism, and then it makes it super easy to move. And basically 1 full rotation is pretty consistently just a 1/16 of an inch. So I know that if I bring that locking collar tool all the way back around, I've gotten basically just a 1/16 of an inch. And so we need to get these 1/4 inch here and an 1/8 of an inch on these ones, and then we're going to be ready to set ride height. So we got the preload set. That was super easy. These things move like butter. Now we're trying to figure out what we want to do to adjust ride height, and these are pretty much just from bottom collar to locking collar, a little over 2 inches. But we discovered that that is all the way in on these, so I'm assuming it's the same for this. So we're trying to debate and figure out what should we set it at. So you think back it out an inch?
Half an inch.
Half an inch?
Half an inch.
You just said an inch before you turned the camera on.
Yeah, but I was thinking, I was like, let's try half an inch.
What if it's like slammed stancy? We just put it back up?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, because this is super simple. Since these are locked, you don't have the dual locking things you have to mess with when you adjust ride height.
Right.
So
you literally just deal with that.
Yeah, you just loosen this up, and then you turn this guy. Should be pretty easy. Okay. All right, I'll go ahead and try and back these out. So it'll be 2.5 inches on here, and these are, oh my God, 1 3/4 inches.
So 2 1/4.
2 1/4 inches there, and we're probably gonna be on the ground. All right.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay,
Because these might not even collapse that much. Might just put.
That's true.
In goes the first Fortunato.
I need you to screw the bolts in.
Yep. Where'd the bolts go?
They're right up here.
Oh, I didn't see you put them up there. I was looking down on the thing. Alrighty.
This seems like it might be insanely low.
It very well could be insanely low.
No, I don't know if the... Hang on, I'm gonna take it out. I don't even think this thing will reach. I don't think this is
Do we need to drop it more?
I don't even think that's nearly low enough.
Low enough? Well, yeah, we can make it lower. We have a 1/4 inch.
No. This
Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay. Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, about that.
No way.
Just finishing up torquing down the Fortunatos with a ride height that we selected. And hopefully, once we put the wheel on, we're just going to put it on with just a couple lugs. And we're just going to drop the front end to see how it looks. So it'll be an easy jack up and removal just in case they are a little low.
Yeah, and even if they're perfect, we have to lock the collars.
Alright, go ahead and let her down.
Okay, here we go. Nice and slow.
Slow like. Dude, that's, I mean, it's still, like, it's pretty high. But I think that's good for right now for...
Yeah, for break-in?
Yeah, just for to have it settle.
Let's see.
You know, once you drive it, just like the max speeding rods even dropped like a quarter of an inch as you moved it.
So it's 3.5 there. Damn, it's way lower on this side. Wonder why. Maybe because of the back being jacked up unevenly?
It very well
I
could.
think this side is higher over here.
Yeah,
But if we say it goes to this over here, because we know we put the collars there.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll discover something when they do the alignment if something else comes weird when we put it all the way down. We'll take another measurement, but yeah, I think we're good. So I'm just gonna jack it up so we can pull it off, lock those collars, and then we'll be good to go. Recording. All right, got the wheels test on the back side, all torqued down. I'm just gonna lower and we'll see if we have an okay ride height.
I'm so scared.
Of what?
I don't want him to like scrape the fenders or anything.
Whew. Okay. I think we're good. Are we all the way down?
Not yet.
Let it go.
This is there.
Okay.
It's clear.
They fit. I can fit a finger up in there.
But once you release the e-brake, you know it's going to come down more.
Let's see. I'll do that right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Got about half an inch.
Yep. I can fit my fingers in there, and that's it. So it's definitely a lot lower than the front.
Okay. Do you want to jack it up and drop it like a quarter of an inch to half an inch?
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, we'll decide that while we got off the camera real quick and we pull these wheels back off. So Jeff's jacking it back up and we'll make our adjustments. All right, so Jeff just dropped the rear. We're gonna go ahead and drop the front. We're almost done with this little install, but big impact install, obviously. Super upgrade of suspension. So let's see how she looks. Okay. Hey, it looks pretty even from back to front.
Yeah, it does.
For just a break-in setting, that's pretty cool. Nice.
Let down the e-brake too.
Oh yeah. Might be a little lower in the back.
Yeah, but that'll do for now. I mean,
Yeah.
after you, just a quick drive tomorrow to the alignment shop, and then...
Yeah. They may even set it up too. They may be like, hey, but it's not broken in yet, so
Yeah.
not too much importance there. Okay, cool. Well, we're about to, most importantly, fire this up, take it for a test drive.
Alrighty. Alright, so here we are. This is going to be the first ride in the FC with Fortunatos.
Aftermarket flywheel and clutch. feels amazing.
Yeah, this is what it should be like forever.
Yeah, man.
Ooh.
Wow. The ride quality is great. Let me tell you that much right now. Let's go this way.
My window's not working. There it goes.
Wow. So it's quieter than both suspensions. You don't feel it or hear it moving around. And also, it's less bumpy. The ride quality is better. Once we get out on a wider road, I'll do some swerving and we'll see how it feels.
Alright.
Hey. Wow! Ooh, that feels good.
That's not bad. It's hard to hold the camera, but that's pretty good.
Yeah, there's like just a little bit of body roll, which we know is from the sway bars mostly. But yeah, that just goes. Man, I can't wait. Obviously for dyno day, but after that for a track day. Alrighty. All right. Cheers. Sweet, sweet victory. That feels amazing. And let's go ahead and cross that off the list. All we have left is the throttle body and getting our supplies ready for dyno day. All right, everyone, you know the drill. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And when they ask you, tell them you want more.